Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use new Google Anti-Gravity 2.0. So first, what we are going to do is we will install for Windows. You can also for Mac OS or Linux. So you need to go here to the Anti-Gravity 2.0. This is their official web page, and now just click on download button right here. As you can see, you have bunch of options here, so Linux, Windows, Mac OS. You can also download for Intel, ARM, and so on. So let's go uh, for downloading Windows file. So right here you will see it that it's downloading, and now we need to wait a few moments that this thing is downloaded, and then we will install this anti-gravity. Okay, so just like that, click on that uh, file. So right now you can see that it's installing. And just like that, we have it right over here now. So let me put this like so. Okay. Okay, so now that we have this, we need to establish a project workspace. So as you know, agent cannot roam freely, so they require boundaries. So what we are going to do is create a new project, which you are going to do here. If you go to the left menu and click on create new project and new project. All right, select folder. So right now we will basically need to create a folder for that new project. So I will name it just like that. So you will need to create a folder in your computer, just like so. And then right here, click next. Agent security settings. We will go with default, but you can full machine, turbo mode, and so on. But just let's go with default. Project name, I will leave it like that, but you can name the project as you wish. And now what we can also do, we can open settings or start first conversation, but let's jump into the settings here to see what we have. So we have here agent settings. We have, as you know, security preset. So as you saw before, we can set it there, or we can go afterward to the settings and adjust this security after the installation. Now we have agent behavior. So we have always proceed or always ask, local permissions, customization, and so on. But okay, let's leave it for now. Now here on the left side, you will see this your new project right over here. Okay. Now what we can do is open a new conversation. How you will do that? If you hover over uh, to your new project, you will see this plus icon right here and click on that. And just like so, you will see here that you are now with this conversation in your new project. Okay, so from here you can adjust which model you will use. We can also add some media, mentions, action, browser, and so on. Yeah. Now, when you open a new conversation inside your project, you can guide its behavior using specialized slash comments. So we can use like this, for example, and then you can put a task in here. Then we have also this option. So you have bunch of options right here. So as you can see, if you press slash comment, you will go here. It open up basically a window where you have these options what you can use. And yeah, this is one way. So for example, we can try one example. Let's do this one here. So goal, add a contact from the landing page, and then use browser to test it. And now we can execute this code, and you will see that basically this agent will work right here below this text. So we will wait. As you can see, now it's analyzing and so on, and after that it will basically, you can follow along all the way through his work, and then you adjust uh, like you want after that implementation plans. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the